Eufy S330 camera issues. Yep. First thing is notice the top. That solar panel has some sort of laminated surface there. It delaminated, came off. Camera hasn't been working right. It's not charging. Had a pink hue on the videos. Also stopped recording. So I took it down, gave it a little shake, and realized there was water in it. That's right. So all these issues everybody's having, it's very possible it's because of water intrusion. I'm not sure how it's getting in, probably from the back, because this camera actually faces downward on a slight angle, so it's not getting in the front. But anyway, to open this thing up, first thing you gotta do is remove this bezel. I did it with a little straight razor. After you remove it, there's 4 screws. Pull them out, and there you go. And of course you can see there's plenty of water in there. Water everywhere. Battery is wet. Yeah, took some of it off already, so you can't really see a lot of it. Trust me, it's soaked. See all the water in the housing there. But yeah, there's the back. I'm thinking it came in either from the sync button, charging port. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. It's out of warranty. It's only been a year, maybe a year and a half since I got this one. But if you're having any issues, I can almost bet it's got water in it. If you've had it a while. So anyway, I hope this helps a few, because I know I ain't the only one having some issues, and from what I'm reading, a lot of the issues that I have, other people have, and I'm gonna bet dollars to donuts that you got water inside. We all know what that does. It makes everything go crazy. So yeah, I'm not gonna tear the whole thing apart. There's obviously water all up in there. I'm not gonna return it. Just gonna chuck it, get another one. It's past the warranty anyway. So anyway, I hope this helps somebody, and I'll contact Eufy and let them know about it too. But I have 5 cameras. This is the only one I've had this problem with so far. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon.